Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm doing great, sir. How about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm over the moon. So many days later, I meet you too. I meet you too.
Okay, sir. Same for you. So, sir, how are you feeling today?
Yes, I'm feeling very good because you see the environment is very nice and we are staying at Golden Park and this is a really very amazing and nice moment for us. And now, what are you doing?
Sir, I actually came here as this is our outdoor session, and we came here to practice English and speak with our partners so we can improve our fluency in English. So that's why I have came to Golden Park.
Yes, this is very good point. Yes, obviously this is very good and crucial for us because for practicing English there is no alternative of practicing outdoor session because ultimately we have to practice not in classroom or not in covered area. We have to practice or we have to conversate with other in outside of our house or room. You can whatever you say. So it's very important for us. So what do you think about outdoor session for practicing English?
Well, actually, I believe that outdoor session is really helpful for us because in outdoor session we can talk with each other, we can communicate with each other. By this, we can improve our sentence making. Also, we can boost our fluency. Also, and also it reduce our mumbling problem, so we can speak even more fluently. So I believe that outdoor session is really good for us.
Okay, sir. Nice to meet you. We'll talk later, and it's very good environment for us, and I feel very nice to talk to you. See you later, sir. I love it. My pleasure, sir. Thank you.